8
phela iStellenbosch mfethu sidlala i-Confederations Cup i-CAF iphi experience etshengisa ukuthi nina nidlala le niyatravela but I didn't see any but let me say Pirates was just good. Pirates was just good. They outclassed, they outmatched, they humiliated Steelers.
By the way, ama-team njengoba usho ukuthi adlala i-Champions League ayayikhombisa experience. Ngoba naleya la eMzansi yayikhombisa naleya le phesheya enejezi elibomvana. Ngibona ingakaphuma ngazi noma kuseseyiko ukukhombisa experience yini. Kodwa kunjalo.
So bafethu sizonibona kusasa sidlala umdlalo weKaizer Mamelodi Sundowns versus iKaizer Chiefs. Is umdlalo wes-28 for Mamelodi Sundowns. Remember igame yabo le Test Galaxy bekumele bedlale nge-16 bakwazile ukuyihlehlisa idlale nge-12 May. So bazodlala kusasa kuyingakusasa i6 badlale nge9 bese bayadlala nge12 because basela lama game awu3. So if ba win lama games iMamelodi Sundowns